Hello, I am Ankita from Burdwan. Currently, I lived in Kolkata. Actually, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in the field of computer science and engineering this year. After completing my degree, I am looking for a job in the IT industry. But you all know the recession is come here, and the technical job is a little bit of stuck. Since my childhood, I am always passionate about drawing and art and culture. And one of my friend telling me that he is working in this company named Webskitters Academy, and I heard that there is a lot of trainings happened, including gaming, coding, whatever you want. So when I heard this opportunity, I came and talked with Suman sir. Since we all know the gaming industry will be boom in the next 10 years, so I think why I not enrolling this program. Then I enrolled this program, and I enrolled in a very reasonable price, and the faculty is who is very gentle, and when we is talking every problem, he solves every problem in a very patient way. He is a very friendly sir, I say. Already 1.5 months are gone, and I learned about Adobe Photoshop, and now currently now learning is Maya software, and after Maya I will learn Substance Painter, which is very interesting a software. And while we learning, the course is very interesting as well. So thank you Webskitters Academy for giving me this opportunity, and thank you also our faculty and my mentor also. Thank you.